Hello, I want to welcome you back to the Random Scholar and Banana Guava Show. Today, Banana Guava and I are going to teach you how you can make an historical inaccuracy. What a dreaded little thing to make. Banana Guava, do you want to tell them something? What beautiful words. Our first example is that you have to take an historical event, you have to make it into something, a book, a film, a short, a series. And then you take the event, you twist it, and you added something completely unrelated.
Yeah! Whoa! Woohoo!
And then once you add something unrelated, like let's say someone was making a film about the life of President Dog. And that president and a dog became president. Has there ever been a dog president? Probably in some country that we've never heard of before, but not here. But let's say there was a dog president. He was a German Shepherd. His name was Earl. And Earl the German Shepherd created a law in which you had to scratch his belly if you were going to ask him a question.
Wow!
I know, it's absolutely amazing. Except that didn't really happen. Or some despicable being, ends up making some kind of a film about any kind of time. A president was strolling along, minding his own business, and he was done. Like in 1881, what happened to James Garfield, only president for 18 months, and then anarchists came, got him in the back, lived 5 months. Alexander Graham Bell, and that is completely true. They had Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, come and operate on a president. Could not find a bullet. Instead, somebody adds in something else, like Alexander Graham Bell put in the bullet. Plot twist.
Oh.
And that's how you make an historical inaccuracy. And to mind you what happens, historical inaccuracies happen about 85% of the time in our popular culture. Does it necessarily make these things that happen in the films that they are in bad? Not exactly. Do they make documentaries? No. But sometimes they have to spice something up. Now, leave in the section of the comment section, what is your favorite film or TV show that has historical inaccuracies? I'm a random scholar. And I'm Banana Guava. Say bye.